Stop everything! This is the Taj Mahal, and today, you and I are going inside. We are in Agra, in northern India, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is 200 kilometers from Delhi.
Before you see the Taj Mahal, you pass through the Great Gate, the Darwaza, and through the arch, the Taj Mahal appears.
Every single time, dough. Wow, look, this building is completely symmetrical.
Can you imagine building the most beautiful building in the world for the person you love most? That is exactly what happened here. Shah Jahan was the emperor of the Mughal Empire, one of the most powerful empires in history. He became emperor in 1620. Mumtaz Mahal. Her name means jewel of the palace. They married in 1612. For 19 years, she was his closest companion. He made a promise. The most beautiful building in the world, for her. Construction began in The chief architect was Ustad Ahmad Lahori, Indian, of Persian origin. Artists came from Persia, Turkey.
Pure white marble from Makrana, Rajasthan, the 300 kilometers away. And these tiny flowers are precious stones.
This is the Charbagh, the 4 gardens. 4 equal sections, this garden represents paradise, perfectly symmetrical.
The central dome is 73 meters tall as a 20-story building. 4 smaller domes surround it. And my favorite fact about the Taj Mahal changes color. Pink in the morning, brilliant white at midday, golden. The Taj Mahal is a complex here, not just one building. On the left bus a mosque for prayer, on the right...
Inside, very quiet, very peaceful. The tombs of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan, together, even in death. The carved marble screens are called jalis. How big was this project? 22,000 workers every day for 22 years, 1,000 elephants to carry marble, materials from Rajasthan, China, and Tibet. This was not just a building site, have the new 7 wonders 3. One of the new 7 wonders of the world, 8 million visitors every year, from every country on earth. I think I understand why. In 1658, his own son imprisoned him. For 8 years, from his prison window, he could see the Taj Mahal every single day. When he died in grammar, present continuous, for things happening right now. The dome is shining. The river is flowing. And you are learning English. Emperor. Mausoleum. Inseparable. Devastated. 4 words, you already know them. Now, let's go inside. I have a question. Would you visit the Taj Mahal? Comment below. Write yes, I already visited, or maybe one day. In real life, it is 8 vocabulary words. Mausoleum. Symmetrical. Inlay. Minaret. Calligraphy. Sacred. Majestic. Can you remember? Look at what you learned. Shah Jahan, Mumtaz Mahal, Agra, Yamuna, Charbagh, symmetrical, Mughal Empire, 7 wonders, all in English. You are incredible.
Adjectives. Magnificent, symmetrical, ancient, majestic, enormous, peaceful, safe. Today we learned English, but we also learned what love can build. Shah Jahan could not bring Mumtaz back this. The afternoon is ending. Look at the color of the Taj Mahal now. Gold. Gold. Beautiful, warm gold.
Thank you, Taj Mahal, with me today. If you learned something new, please like. Every week I take you to credible place to learn English. Next week, somewhere completely different, and keep learning.